So hello guys, it's me, I'm back again, Eric. So today I'm going to be showing you how to turn 4 twos into 2 birds. So my uncle Obi challenged me whether I could do this, and I challenged him back by saying I did it. So from 2s to birds. So for this activity I have a paper with 4 twos written on it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have 6 crayons.
Okay.
And I'm going to use to color. Now let's start. Time to color.
Yeah.
Sitting in heaven. Now time to do this. I kind of colored in between these things to make the wood kind of look like it's going kind of in the nails.
So sticky.
guys can see, there's a difference. Can you guys notice the difference? So you can see that this one's red, blue, red. This one is blue, red, blue. And this one is orange, this one is green. This one is orange, green, this one is green, orange. So it's kind of like opposite.
Okay.
So I'm
It's
done,
cool.
guys.
It's really beautiful.
And it looks super cool. If we were to cut this out, we could kind of like cut this out, put it on cardboard, hang the string at the back of the cardboard, or hang it and then hang it anywhere.
Ah, that's another great idea.
This is 4 tools turned into 2 birds patched on 1 branch.
It's like cute. Wow.
I wonder which one is a girl and which one is a boy. So thanks for watching. Have a good time. You can cut this out and hang it anywhere, but I just decided to color this. We could maybe do that some other time. But have a good time making this. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell to keep track of more of my new uploaded videos. Bye.